Today you get to show what you know about plants. To get started, you'll need this paper and your name at the top. Pause the video and write your name now. Now that you have your name at the top, it's important to know that you must do this activity by yourself. You may not work with a partner. So if you have a partner, you need to stand up and go find your own workspace where it's quiet to work by yourself. Let's get started. Do you see the number 1? Put your finger on number 1. Look inside the box. These pictures show different kinds of plants. Fill in the circle under a tree. Pick one that looks like a tree and color in the circle. Number 2. Put your finger on number 2. These pictures show different kinds of plants. Fill in the circle under a shrub. Which picture shows a shrub? Color in the circle. Pick only one answer. Number 3. Do you see these 3 pictures? Which picture shows something that plants need to live? Color in the circle under the one thing that plants need to live. Number 4. Which picture shows something that plants need to live? Color in the circle that shows something that plants need to live. Number 5. Do you see these arrows? Which arrow points to the plant stem? Which arrow points to the plant stem? Color in the circle. For number 6, we're going to move all the way up to the top right here. Do you see the arrows? Which arrow points to the plant leaves? Color in the circle under that picture. Number 7. Do you see the arrows? Which arrow points to the plant roots? Color in the circle that shows the plant's roots. Number 8. Which arrow points to a lemon seed? Look very carefully at where the arrows are pointing. Color in the circle that shows the lemon seed. Number 9. These pictures show how a plant grows and changes. Fill in the circle under the adult plant. Fill in the circle under the adult plant. Number 10. These pictures show how a plant grows and changes. Fill in the circle under a sprout. Color in the circle under a sprout.